Hello and a very good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is doing great today and excited. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being here with us today. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for your excellent work, support and accomplishments during the thick and thin. Introduce our anchor, Mr. Sanjay Poddar. I truly believe that his confidence, his spontaneity, his passion, and a very vibrant personality is what makes him unique. You will see it today. He is an expert. He is a professional anchor. He's full of life. Sanjay has anchored for many leading brands, and apparently he has pulled off more than 1,000 events in all. Thanks for being here with us, Sanjay. We welcome you to spend the next 2 hours with us. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Sanjay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely amazing. I've been working on this for last 2 weeks, and this is going to be absolutely stunning. Couple of rules. First of all cameras should be on. Now let me quickly check. Golden rule. आपको जो भी मुझसे बात करनी है आप चैट में कर सकते हैं. Can everyone please type hi to me? Let me see. Let me feel that vibes. Chat should be pouring like a rain. Wow. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you, Karthik, Vijay. Wow. Look at your Josh. It will show the world what Navigate family is made of. So, ladies and gentlemen, जो नहीं करेगा उसके अकेले स्पॉट में करना पड़ेगा, स्पॉटलाइट में करना पड़ेगा. It's better you do in a group. All set, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Next 10 seconds. This is going to be amazing. 1, 2, and boom. Let's do it. Increase the volume. Come on, boys. Increase the volume at your side, everybody. Here we go. Come on. Just follow me. Simple. Everybody. Okay. Amazing. Keep going. Everybody. Right shoulder. Wow, my goodness. Superb. You know what? This was amazing. I'm confused now whom to give. But there are 3 top dancers. We'll have a tiebreaker and Janta will decide who is the winner. Captured everyone's attention with his smile. Abhishek Kumar, congratulations. Your passport is ready? Congratulations. You are getting 1,000 rupees Amazon vouchers. The first winner. You are, ladies and gentlemen, please type congratulations to Abhishek Kumar. Let me have the fun, ladies and gentlemen. But before that, now it's time to hear the business overviews. Let's welcome Mr. Director, Mr. Trimbak Mahajan, sir. Over to you, sir.
Hello, good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Today we all are meeting our 7th anniversary of Navigate Consulting. 6th anniversary we missed, but 7th anniversary we catch over the virtual. Hopefully the 8th anniversary we will catch in presence, and we'll keep adding more customers in upcoming years, and we will grow as a company to the extent where we have possibility to grow. I hope 8th we will do it at physical place, some good place. With the last memorable event we did it is at the Mallar March. That was fantastic. I too remember now as well that event, so that was a good one. Let's see the virtual on how it goes.
Tough times, but always humankind has survived. It's all your mindset. So be positive and things will happen good. Just take care of yourself, increase your immunity, stay healthy, exercise and stay positive. That's very, very important. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get back to work. Let's get back to business. And now, let me tell you what I have super exciting. Do you remember yesterday what we did? I request my team to please remove the spotlight from me. I request everyone to please go to gallery view. And what we did, we asked you to wear a goggle. Please go and wear a goggle. Next, rest of the events will be going and we'll be using that filter. Let me wear my favorite goggle. You can also please wear it. Everybody, I want everyone should wear a glare like this. If you don't know, let me repeat. Go to the video icon, just up arrow. There's a small up arrow where you will change the background. Second last option is choose video filter. Go there and wear a goggle. And look at Raghunandra, he's wearing the real goggles.
Inu kai jodistiya.
All right, I'm stopping this. Let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing. And now let me see about this video. Question is, who is the actor in this clip? Let me spotlight you and boom. And let me give an access to unmute you. Samirji, hi, how are you? Can you please unmute?
Yes, I did unmute. Hello?
Hi, I can hear you.
Yes.
How do you know this answer?
Because my daughter watches the dubbed movies of I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, आप सबकी निगाहें अपनी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ, निगाहें भी और कान भी. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. पहला डायलॉग अगले 10 सेकंड में आपके सामने आने वाला है. आपको आवाज और मूवी पहचाननी है. एंड हियर वी गो.
अब जैकेट पहनो, बाइक निकालो, गोवा जाओ. पेट्रोल का पैसा, रास्ते में नाश्ता, दिमाग का भेजा फ्राई. ना रास्ते का भरोसा, ना मौसम का भरोसा, कौन भरेगा पैसा.
हंसते कैसे हैं? जैसे रामायण में कैसे राक्षस हंसते थे, ऐसे हंसते हुए आपको वो राक्षस की तरह डायलॉग बोल रहा है. आपका डायलॉग ये है, एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता, लेकिन आपको ये हंसते हुए बोलूंगा. गो फॉर इट.
एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Come on, navigator, let's clap for him. He's amazing. Just give me thumbs up, sir, if you can see this escape room. Sneha, you can see the escape room on your screen?
Yes.
Okay, so let me quickly tell you. यहाँ पर, imagine you are stuck in a room. Read the instructions. Click around the image to find the clues and start the timer first. You have to start this timer first. जैसे मैंने अभी start कर दिया तो timer start हो गया. Now you see there is number 1. The number 1 is not clickable. The area around the number 1 is clickable. Once you click on it, it will ask you a question. So once it will ask you a question, you just look at this lady. What she's saying, click here to submit the answers. Ladies and gentlemen, it is absolutely matching. Look at this. Asmita also did it. This is superb. Amazing. Congratulations. Great for them. Taali to baja do yaar. Keep clapping for them. Okay.
For the videos, I was just noting down each and every small details that was happening, and maybe like especially the bar ones wherein what time it went.
How did you crack that?
There's no strategy. I don't know. There are some common riddles, and I was using a notepad, so I don't know. Okay, I'm using a notepad that probably helped. Nothing else.
Yeah, but you're doing the homework. I mean, you are noting down each and everything, right? That was.
And I was trying to not listen to you so that I don't get distracted.
Was I disturbing so much?
Good job at distracting.
Hierarchy के हिसाब से बहुत लोगों ने हाथ ऊपर किया, लेकिन निशांक जैन, you are the first one. Let me put you on spotlight, and I'm giving you access to unmute. Please unmute. And yes, hi.
Hi.
Go
The
for
song
it.
सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, जिंदगी के लिए
बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। निशांक जैन के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल गलत जवाब है। Come on, bring it and show it to me. अपने बच्चों को दिखाइए, वो बहुत जल्दी पहचान जाएंगे। Quickly, bring it. We'll play 5 rounds only. पहला हो चुका है फ्राई पैन, किसी को नहीं मिला अवार्ड। Second one. Absolutely right. Mayuri has got it. Sachin Gogate has got it. Toothbrush is the right answer. इस बार हिमांशु थाली लेकर आ गए हैं, जो गलत है। Wow. Raghunandan ji is playing with a team family.
Still, I'll go with 9 days. Even if it is not behind 9
बहुत ही धीट बालक है हिमांशु जी। Still he wants to go with number 9. Karthik is saying silly mistake कर रहा है यार. He is telling you there's nothing behind 9. But let me tell you, Himanshu, I may bluff as well, right? Because I may bluff. So it's good that you are sticking to instinct. Say the code word Khulja Sim Sim loudly.
Khulja Sim Sim.
No, Aladdin is saying louder, more louder.
Okay, more louder. Khulja Sim Sim.
Khulja Sim Sim. No, unfortunately, no. आपको मिला है बाबा जी का ठुल्लू। मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि please go for it. No. Okay, अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप लोग जो इंसेक्ट सोच रहे हैं, वो अगर आपकी स्क्रीन पर आ जाए तो मजा आ जाए, राइट? अगर आएगा तो आपको सबको टाइप करना है वाव, और जो नो बोलेगा उसने कुछ ना कुछ तो गलती की है। If the insect is on your screen, please type wow on your screen, and boom, you are thinking of this. If it is yes, please type wow in the comment section. Let me see. नीलेश, 1 सेकंड नहीं लगाया आपने यार। चलिए, ये कौन सा म्यूटेशन है?
John Abraham Shahid.
Oh my God. Okay, what is this?
Akshay Kumar और Varun Dhawan.
This light is a symbol of each and every employee of Navigate. This light is a ray of hope. This light is a future in these tough times. To show that tough time, yes, we are strong. As a Navigate family, we are going to rock it and we are going to come out of it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's pray for a normal life. Let's show the light. I want everyone. Let's begin. Can you wave with me? Increase the sound of your volume of your piece. Everybody together. Let's do it together. Begin. Now sing with me. Come on. Ready. Oh my God, look at you. This was absolutely stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 घंटे कैसे बीत गए पता नहीं चला, but that was super amazing. Let me mute everyone for a moment.
Hi. Hi. So the experience was really good. So it was quite entertaining for the last 2 hours, and yeah. So it was, as Trimbak said, that it is the what best we can do, and yeah. So few of them are in office and sitting in the conference room. So we just tried to be, whoever can be together, we are here, and those who are offline, and then so we are still together as a one team.
Wow, this was amazing. The energy created, Sanjay, I think it was fabulous. Each one of us felt it towards the end, and we are all charged up, I'm sure.
Thank you so much. So this is 5:30. हमें पता ही नहीं चला कि 2 घंटे कैसे बीत गए. Navigate, you're awesome. I request you to please stay connected, keep smiling, and I hope so next year we'll do this in real. This pandemic will go, but it's a humble request. Please wear mask, keep a sanitizer with you, always follow the protocols, and please take a very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.